Welcome guys, we have a Monsoon Finance Airdrop live on Coinmarketcap. For now, the market data is currently on track, but they're going to be doing an airdrop. It says here Monsoon Finance is giving out $20,000 airdrop exclusively on Coinmarketcap. So the total worth of the airdrop is $20,000, and you can get up to 50 MCASH. So MCASH is the token symbol. That's the token symbol. So airdrop is going to last for 9 days. It says it's running from August 16th to August 26th. So Monsoon Finance is partnering with Coinmarketcap, and they're giving out 100,000 MCASH to 2,000 winners. So there are already participants on this particular airdrop. It says how to participate. You need to add it to your watch list. Now adding to your watch is very easy. It's usually the simplest. You just click on here and you're good to go. So as a beginner, all you need to do is log into your Coinmarketcap, or you sign up to your Coinmarketcap wallet address. Make sure your Twitter handle, your Telegram handle, they are logged in, because you'll be using them to join the official Telegram and Twitter handles of this particular airdrop community. So it says follow Monsoon Finance on Twitter, join Monsoon Finance on Telegram group, and to join Monsoon Finance announcement channel on Telegram. Then like and retweet that pin post and tag 2 friends in the comment section. The results will be announced on Monsoon Finance Twitter account. The MCASH IDO coming up on top IDO platforms, and tokens will be credited to the winner's wallet directly at public sale price post 1 week of TGA. Say 50% upfront and 25% per month. All the best. So hey guys, they are going to be giving out this airdrop, I think, as soon as this airdrop ends. And for the category of the way they are going to give it out, I think most times it's usually by random selection. So you still have an opportunity to participate on this airdrop. Now in this airdrop, you don't need to pay gas fees, and you don't need to pay for anything. So you can jump on this airdrop as soon as possible. While you can also check out our previous airdrops, upcoming airdrops, so you can participate in them as soon as they kick off. So guys, one love guys, don't forget to set your public your watch list at public. And peace out guys, one love.